The model of the gluteal region and the hip joint and the upper end of the femur. ठीक है जी. This shows the attachment of the hip bone and the femur. ठीक है. Hip bone की जो dorsal aspect पे और the gluteal surface और the pelvic surface दोनों पे. ठीक है. Okay. Now this big muscle over here, this one, this is the gluteus maximus. Gluteus maximus की origin कहाँ से होती है जी? Behind the posterior gluteal line, right?
Behind the posterior gluteal line.
Posterior gluteal line, right? Then this one is the gluteus medius, that is between the posterior gluteal line and the anterior gluteal line. Anterior gluteal line का पता है कहाँ से कहाँ तक होता है एक्सटेंशन सर बताएंगे? Anterior gluteal line it starts from the about 4 centimeters behind the anterior square spine start होता है. It runs backwards and then downwards
runs to the
end at the
middle of
the upper border of the
greater sciatic nerve.
ठीक है जी. उसके बाद then the inferior gluteal line that runs just behind and above the inferior spine. It was transversely and is going to end at the apex of the greater sciatic nerve. So between these two lines there is the origin of the muscle that is called as a gluteus minimus. So this one is gluteus minimus, this is medius, and then this one is the gluteus maximus. ठीक है जी. Okay, now on the dorsal surface you can see this impression just above this groove present on the acetabulum that is called as the supraacetabular fossa. ठीक है. यहाँ से ये जो muscle आ रहा है, this is the reflected head of the rectus femoris muscle, and from the inferior iliac spine here you can see this one. यहाँ से आपका straight head of the rectus femoris आ रहा है. So rectus femoris has got the
rectus femoris का straight head ये, reflected head ये है. ठीक हो गया.
Okay. Now anterior superior iliac spine के tip से देखें ये जो muscle आ रहा है, this is the sartorius muscle. ठीक हो गया. ठीक है. Now gluteus surface पे just below the outer lip of the iliac crest, यहाँ पे आपको ये origin नजर आ रही है. This is the tensor fasciae lata muscle. ठीक है. Now we come to the attachments over the iliac crest. ठीक है. Now iliac crest, as you know, the end is anterior 2/3 of the iliac crest. It has got 3 lips, 2 lips. The outer lip, inner lip, and the intermediate area. ठीक है जी. Outer lip is going to give the insertion to the external oblique muscle. ठीक है. It's the muscle of the abdomen. Then the intermediate area is going to give origin to the internal oblique muscle, and the inner lip is going to give origin to the transversus abdominis muscle. ठीक है जी. Okay. Now inner lip का जो posterior part है of the iliac crest, यहाँ पे this one it is the origin of the quadratus lumborum muscle. ठीक है. Okay. Now we come to the posterior aspect of the iliac crest. The posterior of the iliac crest में we have got a central ridge with the lateral and the medial slope. ठीक है. जो medial slope है यहाँ पे of the posterior 1/3 of the iliac crest, यहाँ से there is a muscle getting origin, that is the erector spinae muscle.
Erector spinae.
ठीक है जी. And the outer lip से जो है इसके there is the origin of the muscle that is called as the latissimus dorsi muscle. ये आपके latissimus dorsi की origin. ठीक है जी. क्लियर? आपके iliac तो क्लियर हो गई सारे. लाइक दिस इज द इंटरनल oblique, सॉरी दिस इज द transversus abdominis, दिस इज द quadratus lumborum, एंड देन दिस इज द erector spinae. ठीक है. सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड विद iliac crest. देन iliac crest के बाद आप आ जाएं इसकी dorsal surface पे ही. तो ओके. नाउ देयर्स द certain other muscles which you see which are coming out of through the greater sciatic foramina. So this one is the piriformis muscle. ठीक है. which is coming out from the pelvis to the gluteal region. ठीक है. उसके बाद the lesser sciatic foramina है, वहाँ से आपके 3 मसल गुजर हैं. वो बता दो उसमें से हर एक ऑपरेटिव इंट्रेंस ही आता है, लेकिन इसका स्पाइन के आउटर एस्पेक्ट से स्पीयर गैमिलस आ रहा है. ठीक है. बिलो द इसका स्पाइन आपका इंफीरियर गैमिलस आ रहा है, और आपका लेसर sciatic foramina में से ये आप देखें ये आपका obturator internus which is getting origin from the pelvic surface of the obturator membrane and the margins of the obturator foramina. यहाँ से आता है, राइट, एंड देन इट passes through the lesser sciatic foramina. ठीक है. जब यहाँ से पास करेगा बिलो द स्कल स्पाइन एंड इट टर्न्स एट 90 डिग्री. लेकिन बिल्कुल 90 डिग्री पर टर्न कर रहा है, एंड देन इज गोइंग टू कम ओवर हियर, गोइंग टू बी अटैच्ड ऑन द medial aspect of the your greater trochanter. ठीक है. तो ये तीनों मसल का कॉमन टेंडन है जो यहाँ पे आके लगता है, राइट जी। पिरफॉर्मेंस मसल विच इज गेटिंग ओरिजिन फ्रॉम द इंटीरियर सरफेस ऑफ द सैक्रम, ठीक है, एट द लेवल ऑफ द सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ, इन फ्रंट सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ sacral foramina. Then it passes the greater sciatic notch and is going to foramina and is going to attach at the apex of the greater trochanter. यहाँ पे ये attach हो रहा है, ठीक है जी। Okay. Now we come to the below this you can see this muscle, this quadrate shape muscle, quadrangular muscle, that is called the quadratus femoris muscle, ठीक है, which is getting origin from the you see outer surface of the quadratus present in the outer surface of the ischial tuberosity, ठीक है, वहाँ से आ रहा है and then it is going to be inserted at the quadrate tubercle, और जिसकी लोकेशन कहाँ पे जी, जस्ट अबाउट द मिडल ऑफ द इंटरट्रोकैटारी क्रस्ट, ये वहाँ पे आके अटैच हो रहा है, ठीक है, दिस इज quadratus femoris, right। Now the attachments और ischial tuberosity, ठीक है, ischial tuberosity पे आप देखें तो सबसे पहले ये आपको जो लिगामेंट नजर आए, दिस इज अ sacrotuberous ligament, sacrotuberous ligament, right। Now ischial tuberosity पे आप देखें तो the upper part, ठीक है, the transverse ridge which is going to divide it to the upper quadrangular, lower triangular area, upper quadrangular area, it is again divided by an oblique ridge in the superlateral and the inferior medial. Superlateral is going to give origin to the semimembranosus and inframedial going to give origin to the semitendinosus and the long head of the biceps, ठीक है जी। Okay, now the lower triangular area again is divided into the lateral and the medial part. The lateral one is going to give origin to the adductor magnus muscle. This is the hamstring portion of the adductor magnus muscle. And on the medial side, there is attachment to this sacrotuberous ligament. This sacrotuberous ligament, which is just going to convert the coming from sacrum and is going to convert this greater elastic foramina notches to the foramina. ठीक है, sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligaments. ये बात क्लियर होगी जी, इसकी tuberosity हो गई। Now we come to the you see this video. Now you can see this one here. Now the pelvic surface of the your hip bone, right? So this muscle, this big muscle, that's the ilea. This is iliacus coming from the iliac fossa, and it's a psoas major muscle, which is coming higher from the L1 to L5 bodies. ठीक है जी। And then it's going to be inserted where at the, ठीक है जी, lesser trochanter. Okay, ठीक है। Okay, now this surface of the ischiopepiramus, you can see this one, this muscle which is marked wrongly over there, basically should be here, the spear ramus, the pecten pubis, that should be the pectineus muscle, the one which is getting origin from the outer margin, outer surface of the obturator foramen, this is the obturator externus muscle. Now body of the pubis, this is the adductor longus, below it there is the adductor brevis. Adductor brevis basically getting origin between the obturator externus and the, this is a gracilis muscle, in दोनों के दरमियान से, and then between the adductor brevis and gracilis there is extension of this muscle, this is the adductor magnus का जो है ना, हिप बोन का जो पार्ट है वो आ रहा है, ठीक है जी। Now the medial surface of the ramus, so here you can see the obturator internus coming from the internal margin of the obturator foramen and the membrane over there, then the posterior aspect pelvic surface of the ischial spine, यहाँ से आपका coccygeus muscle आ रहा है, right? Now the body of pubis जो आपका रहा है, this is the basically the levator ani muscle, ठीक है, that is and then below here you this one, this line, it is representing the deep transversus perineum muscle, right? And this one is the superficial transversus perineum muscle, this one, and this one is the ischiocavernosus muscle, right? So this is all the muscles present over the hip bone. ठीक है जी?
Okay, thank you sir.